using my name. I'm trying to make a career as an architect. Architect, huh? You mean like a sex architect?
Yeah, you know, you're onto something. That would make a great title of a film. Ted Mosby, Sex Architect.
You know, I'm actually looking for a new project to shoot next Friday afternoon. Yeah, listen, isn't there some other way you could honor me with all due respect? Wait, you're not mad, are you?